Hello, what is up guys? So today, gagawa tayo ng simple tutorial about making your beats slap. Plus, I have a bonus tip sa last part, so make sure you finish this video. Alright, so let's get started. So basically, we want our beat to slap, diba? And I have a simple trick kung paano gawin yan. Let me show you first and play the beat, and then I'll explain how I did it real quick. Okay, so let's delete and add again these two plugins. This is without the plugins. So, open lang tayo ng Fruity Limiter and below nito is Soft Clipper. Leave lang natin ang settings ng Soft Clipper as it is. And now sa limiter, isagad natin ang ceiling, then try to turn up or boost etong gain until marinig nyo na parang nag-clip siya. In this way, we can achieve yung parang nag-clip ang 808 and kick. Well, technically, it is really clipping really hard. You can see it naman by the meters. But that's what's giving it that texture. Nandi-distort siya kasi it's too loud. But no worries kasi we have soft clipper naman para di siya lumagpas ng 0 sa master. So yeah, if nafe-feel nyo na parang masyado nang distorted yung pag-a-adjust ninyo, well, you can back the knobs down naman until you are satisfied na sa output nyo. And now my bonus tip is, what if I'll tell you na okay lang nag-clip ang track ninyo? Let me show you. So let's turn off the limiter and soft clipper. Then let's add SSL comp and let's make it really distorted. And now let's export it. Make sure na wave 32-bit float ang nakaselect. Now let's import the distorted track to our new session. Let's preview. So very distorted, diba? Now watch this. Double click ko to, then I will select Normalize. So as you can see, the waveforms are now more relaxed and it gave enough headroom para sa mastering process. Let's preview again if wala na ba yung super distorted sound. Right, so nawala, diba? Ngayon, pwede na natin lagyan ng processing or plugins. For example, sa mastering, I will add full tech to adjust the lows and the highs. So that is it for today guys. Sana meron kayong natutunan. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy mixing guys. See you again next time. And bye-bye.